Do you guys have that dice that I had Mom and Dad print out for you? Oh, perfect. It has a lot of different words on there and tells us what to do. So we're gonna take turns rolling the dice and then doing what it says. So how?
Roll it on the ground?
Yeah, roll it on the ground. Let's see what it says.
It says hand tracing breath.
The hand tracing breath, that's really great. Why don't you all go ahead and sit down on the floor and put one hand on the floor for me. And then you're gonna take the other hand and we're gonna make it a certain color. Everybody can pick a color. Leah, what color do you want your marker to be?
Purple.
Purple. Emma, what color do you want your marker to be?
Can it be a mix?
Sure.
Purple and blue.
Okay, that's what I want you to see in your mind's eye. I want you to see purple and blue. And Nico, what color is your marker? Periwinkle. What a very particular color. I like that. So in your mind's eye, you're gonna see that color. Watch, I'm gonna trace my hand up to my thumb and down. So we can practice that. And when you're ready, we're gonna start again at our thumb. I love that color. Mine is orange. When we start again at our thumb, we're gonna breathe in to the top and down, out to the bottom. Breathing in to go to the top of your fingertip and out. Like you're blowing on hot soup or maybe hot chocolate. In and out. In and out. One more. In and out. And that's how you do the hand tracing breath. Excellent job, everybody. Let's roll the dice again. Emma, go ahead and roll the dice.
It says, give yourself a hug. Whisper to yourself, I love me.
Okay, go ahead, everybody. I love me. I love me. Excellent. That's a great big hug. That should feel good. I love me. Very good. Dad, can you roll one?
Okay. Press your hands together, count to 5, hold your hands behind your back, count for 5, repeat it again.
Okay, so press them together. You want to push your hands together in the center, find that balance of your hands. Good, and now behind your back, stretch your hands open, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You could keep this up in your kitchen or in the pantry. And when someone needs to kind of relax or take a minute, like maybe you feel mad or maybe you feel kind of sad, you can roll the dice and do the activities so that you can kind of bring yourself back down and feel a little more relaxed. Then we can talk with Mom and Dad about how we feel. Is it easy or hard to talk about how we feel when we're so angry? What do you think, Nico? It is hard. It's hard for me too. Yes, Leah? Help you out, Emma, if you were feeling bad? You could roll the dice and try some of those activities? Yeah. Okay, awesome. So you guys have that dice now and you can use that if you are feeling upset or sad or lonely. You can do that dice a few times. How does that sound? Awesome. All right, well, thanks so much, friends, for joining me today.